Hi everyone, we are TCSC.
I'm Tassin and I'm from the Event Management Department of TCSC.
I'm Evan and I'm the co-director of Formal Events.
I'm Rain and I'm the secretary.
Welcome to Council Cooks Episode 1, Refreshing Delights, a series of baking, cooking, and for today, as the title suggests, we are making drinks.
Each of us will be making a drink based off of a random color that we choose via a wheel of fortune.
So without further ado, let's begin.
So this is the Wheel of Fortune, and as you can see we have red, blue and yellow on screen. So we'll be taking turns to spin the wheel to see which drink we'll be making.
So I'll start first. Red.
You want to go next?
Okay.
And I'll take the last one.
Sure.
What's the yellow red?
Okay, I'm blue.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so I'll be taking the yellow drink.
The color I got is red, so I'm thinking of making strawberry splash. Here is the recipe that I'll be using. Strawberry syrup, cold water, Sprite, fresh strawberry. First, I'll be mixing the strawberry syrup with water and Sprite. I'll be adding in the water. Now the Sprite. I'll be mixing it together. My drink is done. Now I'll be cutting some fresh strawberries to decorate my drink. Here are the strawberries, they have been washed. Here's my drink, strawberry splash. Now I'll be letting Levan and Tassin try it. Okay, it's good. I can taste the strawberry inside. It's actually not bad.
Smells like cough syrup, but it tastes like if Sprite had like a mild strawberry flavor.
Rate my drink out of 10.
You 6? Solid.
I rate it a 7, I guess. Now who wanna go next?
Me! I got next.
And then what will you be making?
Oh! I'll be making an abomination because I can't cook. I'm gonna champo. Can I speak Malay? Yeah. I'm gonna mix pandan, lime, and soda water. I know it doesn't sound that appetizing, but it sounded good in my head, and that's all that matters. So today I'll be making the pandan lime fizz, and it'll be a mixture of pandan juice, lime, honey and soda water. So my first step is that I have to boil pandan leaves and water together. So I'll first be melting the pandan leaves to make it easier to boil. wait. What's the dirt?
Because it wasn't washed.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll wash the melted ones. I'll be melting 2 strands so that there's enough flavor of pandan when it comes to making the drink. So while we wait for the water to boil, we'll be mixing up the remaining of the ingredients. We'll first start off with the honey drizzle. I think like a small drizzle should be enough. Thank you. So I'll be pouring a dash of lime. Pandan flavor. I think I'll add like small dices of pandan leaves into that. Okay, so this is my drink. I'm currently done. Rain and Justin are here to taste test my abomination. I go first. I mix first. Genuine reaction, guys.
Wait, it's a bit sour, but I think it's good. I think it's nice, like really. Wow, new taste unlocked. Wait. Wow, it's a right one. Wow,
I think the big combination of
the
a lot of things.
honey made it nice.
Yeah.
Oh, the lime is very strong.
It's not bad. It's not bad. It's a very unique taste that I've never tasted before. So rating out of 10?
I'll give it a 7. I'll give it an 8. I think it tastes better than my strawberry splash.
Okay. That's all from me, and now I think the last but not least, the scene.
My color is blue. I'll be making blue sky punch. So I'm making blue sky punch, and I'll be using butterfly pea flower tea, orange juice, honey. Okay, so now I'll be pouring the butterfly pea flower tea into the cup. Okay. Next, I'll be squeezing the orange as a layer on top. And I'll be slicing a piece of orange. And a drizzle of honey on top. Okay, that's all. So now I'll be asking Liven and Ring to come and test my blue sky punch. So, who wants to start first? You start first?
Okay, wait, can I have the stir? Tastes like water. It's very black. But you can still taste the orange citrus.
My turn. It doesn't really look blue, it's kind of purple.
Yes, so feel that.
It's very watery. But it doesn't taste bad. It just tastes like lemon water, like normal lemon
Yeah.
water, even though it's orange.
Wait, you want to try?
Yes.
Yeah, sure. It's not bad. It's just nothing.
Yeah.
It's like water, orange, and nothing else.
Yeah.
You want to rate it out of 10?
Solid 4.5.
Wait, you're giving it a 4.5.
Yeah.
I'll give it a 3.8 for effort.
Yeah. To be fair, I will drink
I'm
this
not
in
going
school.
Drink this in school.
Yeah, as a substitute for water.
No, it tastes healthier
It's
than
healthier.
the. Yeah, it tastes
Yeah,
healthier
it's
than
healthier.
the 2 drinks we had just now. But I'm not sure if it's really healthier. Maybe it's like.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's all from us for today. We hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like,
Comment.
And subscribe.
stay tuned for the next episode of Council Cooks.
See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.